गुड इवनिंग यू ऑल। तो जो पहली बार आ रहे हैं इस चैनल पे, सो आई एम अभिनव जिंदल एंड आई एम मैथ्स एंड मेंटल एबिलिटी फैकल्टी एट एलन चंडीगढ़। ठीक है। तो ऑन दिस चैनल आई put up a question daily so that you guys can be in touch with mental ability, logic, puzzles, and maths. So this is my reason of doing this. And those of you who are here for the first time, welcome. And I hope you guys will like the content and you'll solve the question. That's the biggest thing. So हमारा day 14 का question है. That was a part of that was a question exist containing two parts. So we'll discuss them one by one. The first part of the question is, which is a easier part, I'll say. we have to we are given 9 dots and we have to join these dots using 4 lines. So I did a mistake in mentioning the question. You have to take only 4 lines. Okay, you don't have to uh, you have to start the second one where the first ends. You have to start the third one where the second ends, and so on. That is, the lines should be drawn continuously without lifting a pen, without lifting the pen lifting the pen. Really sorry for my bad handwriting, but I'm trying to improve it. Really sorry. Without lifting the pen. Okay, so this is the thing. So इन डॉट्स को कैसे ज्वाइन करेंगे यार? इसको आप अगर सोचोगे कि 4 डॉट्स से अगर ऐसे ज्वाइन करना चाहोगे ना आप नॉर्मली, तो उसको नॉर्मली करना विल बी रियली डिफिकल्ट. यू वोंट बी एबल टू डू इट इन अ नॉर्मल वे. देखो, एक दो, सॉरी, वी हैव टू join them. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. You'll miss one dot. So let's see if we can do something else. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then also we are missing. But let's see, you have to think out of the box here. I mean, literally you have to go out of the box for this question. So you have to do something like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the solution. Easy, right? So this was the first part of the question. इसको मतलब आप अगर सोचोगे ध्यान से बहुत इजीली किया जा सकता था. Many of you did it without even without even me mentioning this thing कि the this condition. So congrats to all of you who solved it. Let's move on to the second part, which I think is a doable part by most of you. First में तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि there's a hidden trick or something, but the second part could have been done by most of you. Let's see how. तो अगर हम बेसिक इसका एक अप्रोच देखें तो the most basic approach is कि you count the number of matches. Let's do that first. So how do you count the number of matches? So let's say there are 30 players. So first round will have 15 मैचेस. 15 मैचेस में से हमें कितने विनर्स मिलेंगे? 15 विनर्स. MATCHES 15 मैचेस, 15 विनर्स, राइट. 15 विनर्स विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट राउंड. सेकेंड राउंड में वी विल promote the one guy and we will have 7 मैचेस. 14 जो बचेंगे, जो 15 में से 14 है, 15 में से 1 + 14 है, जो 1 + 14 है, तो इन 14 के वी विल हैव 7 मैचेस. 7 मैचेस में से अपने पास 7 विनर्स आए, तो दिस 1 विनर एंड दिस 7 विल मेक 8 विनर्स. 8 विनर्स आफ्टर सेकेंड राउंड. ठीक है, 8 विनर्स. 8 विनर्स के कितने मैच होंगे बच्चों? 8 विनर्स के होंगे 4 मैचेस. 4 विनर्स के मतलब 4 मैचेस से 4 विनर्स आएंगे. सो वी विल हैव 2 matches for 4 winners. We will have 1 match for the finals. So that is 15 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. What is that? 22 plus 4, 26, 27, 28 and 29. So 29 is the answer which you most could have done. I mean, all of you could have done it. This is the basic counting method. But let's see what can we do here if we are a bit smart about it. So let's say I give you a simple question ki how many matches do you need if there are only 2 players? You need 1 match, right? So I'll do it in another way. I'll write players and I'll write matches. So if there are 2 players, we need 1 match. If there are 3 players, so first these will compete, then the winner will compete with this guy to determine the final winner. So 2 matches. 3 require 2 matches. 4 require what? So if there are 4 players, 1 match, 2 match, then the winners, and 1 more match. So 4 requires 3. So you are observing that ki for the number of players, for to eliminate 1 player we need 1 match. So that is, to eliminate 3 players we need 2 matches. To determine winner we need to eliminate all the others. So to determine winner, if there are 4 players, we need to eliminate 3 people, and to eliminate 3 people we need 3 matches. So that is simply कि हमें जितने players दिए हैं उससे एक कम match हमें conduct करना पड़ेगा. So if there are 30 players, then the number of matches has to be 29. So this is the answer for day 14. So let's move on to the question for day 15. So let's move on to the question for day 15. Day 15 question is a bit, I'll say, medium, not easy, but most of you can do it. Most of you can do this. It's not that difficult to think. So I'll tell you the first part. I think you can guess the second part with that. First part is you have to make 31. You have to make 31 using the number 3 5 times. What do I mean by that? So let's say if I had asked you, you have to make 12 using 3 4 times. So what could have you could have done? You could have simply done it 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, right? So 4 times. So that is 12, right? So आपने 3 को 4 बार use किया and you did some operation and you arrived at 12. So similarly you have to use the number 3 5 times. Apply any operation. You can apply add, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You can put a power. You can do anything. I mean, basically I need to see just the number 3 in the equation 5 times and you have to arrive at the number 31. Similarly, the second question is you have to arrive at the number 100 using the number 4 16 times. So whatever equation you give me, it should have only the digit 4 in various forms. It can, you can use 4, you can use 44, you can use 4 power 4, you can use 4 into 4, whatever, but there should be only 4 in the equation. So these are the 2 questions. Okay, so let's see who can solve these questions. These are a bit easy, but you can face these types of questions in very good Olympiads and examinations, which you guys probably will be giving in your future. So this is it. And also many of you were asking ki how do I make the videos on this channel. So if you guys are interested to know how do I do that, please write in the comments that I want to know that. I'll make a separate video for that. If you just want to know it for yourself, you can call me anytime. That's not an issue. So you can reach out to me for any doubts in maths and mental ability. Thank you very much. So let's see who can solve the day 15 question.